Welcome to English for Beginners. Today's lesson is Types of Nouns. Noun is a word used to identify people, places, or things. Common noun. It is a noun that refers to people or things in general. Chair, dog. Proper noun is a name that identifies a particular person, place, or things in. Written English proper nouns begin with a capital letter. New York, Sami. Collective noun. It refers to groups of people or things. Team, army. Compound noun is referred to two or more nouns combined to form a single noun. Orange juice, cheesecake. Concrete noun is a noun that refers to a physical thing, person, or place, something, or someone that can be perceived with the five senses: touch, hearing, sight, smell, and taste. Beach. House. Abstract noun. Represent intangible ideas, things you can't perceive with the five main senses. Time. Love. Countable noun is a noun that has a singular and a plural form. In plural, these nouns can be used with numbers. They can be counted. Apples. Books. Uncountable noun. They cannot be counted, only used in singular form. Money, coffee. Stay tuned for more lessons.